In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix OnlyFans search not working, site issue, clear cache, and account fix. Step 2, clear browser cache and cookies. For that, you have to open the settings, Chrome settings, and here at the left side, you can see privacy and security. Just click on that. And here you can see delete browsing data. Click on that. And you have to check all the box, especially you have to click on cookies and other sites. Then click on delete data. Once that is done, you just have to restart the browser. Step 3, disable browser extension. For that, you have to open the settings of your browser and go to extension. And here you have to disable all the extension and reload the OnlyFans page to check the functionality. Step 4, try a different browser. Switch your Chrome to Firefox or Edge for a better performance. Logged into your account again to ensure access. Conduct a test search to verify functionality. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.